Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I used a palette that I wouldn't normally use, but I fell in love with a specific color from it. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Okay, let's start with brows. We're going to use the MAC Brow Sculpt pencil in the color Spiked. Because my brows are pretty full to begin with, I'm just filling in sparse areas. Okay, now we're going to take the Benefit Brow in the color number 4 and just clean up the brows. Okay, now we're going to take the brow set by MAC in the color Beguile and lighten up the brows. I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation and we're going to clean up those brows. Prime the lids with soft ochre. This is our palette of choice today, guys. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow. Looks like that. We're going to start with this color right here and then move into that color as a crease color. So let's start that lighter one. Okay, let's get the darker color. This top color up here and use that right underneath the brow. This doesn't have a mirror, guys. I used to have a little mirror in my palettes. Let's go back into that darker brown. Star of the show is going to be this green color here. I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going to make a little halo. This color in particular, when you pick it up with a brush, it does have a lot of fallout. So I'm just kind of working it into my hand first. Use this on the inner and outer corners. I think what I'm gonna do is cut this a wee bit. So I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix concealer and a flat synthetic brush, and I'm gonna cut this real quick. In case you're wondering why there's a red rim around my mouth, that is just how intense the Too Faced lip injections are. And I use it as a primer for my lips because by the time I get done all this and I'm ready to put my lips on, my lips are super, super soft, exfoliated, like it's just... Now, we're gonna take the Kylie liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Eat Cake. We're gonna pop this on our lids. So I think I'm gonna put it directly on my lids. No, yeah. I'm gonna put it directly on my lids and then blend it real quick. This color starts to dry, it flakes. I think I like it a little more cut. So this is a little more cut. I think I like that. I don't like this chunks. Let's take our Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo liner and create like a little wing. Look at this wing, guys. So nice, right? Look. I'll wipe her off. Peace out, wing. Okay, we have some lashes on now, and we are gonna move on to skin. So, gonna take the same Huda foundation. This one's in the color Toffee, and guys, wow, remember? All right, we're gonna try this Physicians Formula Rosé All Day Serum. Ooh, this has like a nice pearl finish. You see that? Oh, this serum is nice. It makes my skin feel so hydrated and smooth. Now, it didn't say it's a primer, it said it's a serum. I'm still gonna prime with the Fenty just to make sure nothing moves. Lustre highlighter by MAC that are on my mouth. And then I'm going to take the Born This Way concealer. This is in the color Mocha. And I'm just adding it to my cheeks because I always have extra scarring on my cheeks from those damn hormonal outbreaks that just won't leave. So Michael Jackson for your ass. We're NYX Wonder Stick for contouring. Just contour that up real quick. Okay, we are gonna try out for the first time today this KKW sponge. I just like the fact that it has this flat side. Concealer. It's the Overachiever concealer by Huda. Like it doesn't. Ugh. Okay, back to the beauty blender. Now we are going to take the Huda Easy Bake Loose powder. This is the color Blondie. KKW sponge again. This is MAC 245 Studio Fix powder. Take C6 MAC Studio Fix powder, and we're gonna dust off our bake with that. I don't think I like doing my eyes first. It's throwing me off, and now I'm not like enjoying my makeup. Like dust powder flew up on my eyelashes. Let's go back in with that really dark, this color here, and let's smoke out the lash line. KKW Beauty blush in the color Destiny. Okay, this is the Anastasia bronzer, and this is the color Mahogany. And this is the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty Chasing the Sun. like that area. All right, now we are going to take the Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Glow powder in the color Conceited, and I think I'm going to wet my brush for this one. Hit it with a little Fix Plus. And then we're gonna take this Lorac Coffee Connoisseur, which I am not, but that's okay. And now with the Lorac Angel Gloss. Let me just get a little bit more presentable, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you got a chance to see how there are some times where I try things new that I'm just like, nope, and I gotta fix it. So if you guys have any tricks for fixing makeup mess ups, leave them down below, because I like to learn all the tricks I can to fix any of the mistakes that I make when I'm doing my makeup. And that's it. Don't forget to give the video a like, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye! I forgot to straighten my hair. Oh man. Oh well, this is gonna have to do, because I'm late.